Hello all, this is the second video in this course. So let's see how to import the libraries. So in this entire whole course, I'm going to use the PyTorch rather than the TensorFlow. So basically, when it comes to the deep learning, either you can use the PyTorch, it is one of the popular libraries, or you can use the TensorFlow. So again, few of the companies they prefer the PyTorch, and few of the companies they prefer the TensorFlow. So both of these, the matrix is one of the crucial topics in both of these tools, but in this video I'm going to use the pytorch tools. So let's see. Let's go back to my collab notebook. If you have not seen my previous video, I would recommend you to go ahead and to watch that one, because in that video I explained about like how to use the collab and how to connect to the GPUs. So right now we have connected to the GPU here. So how you get to know, so click on here, you can say T4. We have connected to a GPU RAM. So I'm going to import a few libraries. Import libraries, right? And then I'm going to have import torch. This is one of the library for the to use the PyTorch. So if it is a TensorFlow, the libraries are different. And then I'm going to use other libraries such as import pandas as pd. If you already know about the pandas and numpy, so you'll be very comfortable with this whole course, or else I would recommend you to go and watch the pandas and the numpy tutorials. Import. And even if you don't know about the pandas and numpy, I mean, I will try to explain everything in detail over here, so you really don't have to worry. As np, and this is for the numerical python operations, and this is for the data manipulation. And if in case, I mean, we have to see all the data visually, so for that we need this matplotlib pyplot. So basically, instead of writing this again and again, so basically I'm using this alias as. So instead of writing all of these again and again, all the whole word, I'm going to use the plt over here. And that's it. So click on shift enter. If you're using the macbook, you have to click on shift return. So you can see here that it started executing. So this is totally fine. I mean, do ensure that you have connected to your ram and gpu here, or the if you have the cpu also, it is fine. So let's see what is the version that I'm using right now. So we can use torch dot version. So this is the version that I'm using right now. So probably if you're using this version or like more higher than this one, it totally works fine. So let's see what kind of whether we are running everything on the cpu or a gpu. So for that, I mean, we already have imported the torch, so we don't have to this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to assign something called device is equal to if torch dot CUDA is available. Okay, so if in case if it is available, I would like to have this is CUDA. Okay, else I would like to have this as a CPU, right? So let's print device. So now we can see like what kind of a device we do have. So right now we have the GPU available, and we have connected to the GPU. That's what he here. If in case if this code is like literally a bit confusing for you, I can also write some a simple one. If torch.cuda dot is available, so print GPU is connected, and then what is the connected device name? Torch.cuda dot get device name 0. Okay, if in case if it is not connected, we have to we should get to know, right? Oh, so like no GPU is connected. So now I'm running this one because we already connected to a GPU, and the GPU name is Tesla T4. This is as easy as it is. I mean, you can run everything on the CPU as well. For example, you can click on runtime and change runtime. So let's switch back to CPU. So always remember that whenever you switch from GPU to CPU or vice versa, so whenever you're trying to do that one, the runtime will get disconnected. So basically, what exactly the runtime over here is that, so your system forgets everything, all the variables and all. Now click on OK, and say for example, Earlier, when you ran the program, x is equal to 4. Now, when the runtime gets disconnected, the system no longer knows like what is x over here. Now, it is connecting to this one. Now you can see we don't have any GPUs over here. So if I come here and if I click on, okay, let me clear all the outputs. Okay, click on run all. So I'm running all again. So you can see here, now right now the device which is available is a CPU, and no GPU is connected. Thank you. Keep watching the other videos as well. And if in case if you like this video, please drop a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.